First of all, I want to give thanks to the people that make a food bank or food pantry an option and opportunity for people to get a few extra things for their home in time of need. And yeah, this experience was really nice. The women there were so kind. And overall, thank you. It was a nice experience and it really does help out a lot. Regular person here. I'm single. I live in a 1-bedroom apartment. I have a regular job. And from time to time, I do go to food pantries in time of need when the pantry's running low, and every little bit helps. I do cooking videos. I'm a regular person. I work a regular job, and I pay for everything as far as the food that I cook on my videos and stuff like that. And then sometimes when I need extra stuff for my food pantry and I'm running low, I will go to a food bank or a food pantry. All right, let's see what I got. I got some tomato sauce. Black beans. These are the ones that I get all the time, so this is great. I have some chili beans, pinto, low sodium. Low sodium kidney beans. This works out good for me because these are actually things I purchase. The low sodium kidney beans. And I have some no salt added cut green beans. I have some petite cut tomatoes diced with sweet onions and garlic. This is something I pick up all the time. And some more black beans. They have a shelf set up to where there's canned goods. You could pick 6 out that you like or want. I'm going to put these up really quickly. They give you a paper to check off the items that you don't need or don't want. I only get what I really need and could use in my household. I have some raisin bread. Oh, and this is Dave's Killer Bread. So this is a pretty good brand. You have an option to pick from sharp cheddar, Colby Jack, or string cheese. I just went with the low moisture part skim string cheese because it's better for you, I guess you could say. I asked for brown rice and they had brown rice. So they do have an option if you want rice. And I'm so happy that they had some brown rice. You have an option to get ground turkey, ground chicken, or chicken, I guess they said chicken pieces. So I went with the bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. They give you some classic Frank's hot dogs. And a stick of butter. Gonna put this stuff away. This is my third bag. I have some Raisin Bran. They ask you if you want like a really sweet cereal or just a Raisin Bran or something like that. So I went with the Raisin Bran. I have some Simply Organic pasta. Top ramen. This really works out good because I wanted some spaghetti or pasta, and I have some ground beef that I need to thaw out. I didn't feel like making any pasta sauce with just, canned tomatoes and stuff like that. So this actually worked out really good. I'm so happy about that. I have some Italian style wedding soup. Pretty good stuff. I have some chunky chili. I have some chunk light tuna, chicken of the sea. And I have some cream of mushroom soup. this away. The last bag, I have some angel hair pasta. I have some canned pears. Creamy peanut butter. Whole kernel corn. Tomato sauce. No salt added. I actually get this one myself sometimes. I have some fresh cut green beans. Diced tomatoes with tomato juice. See, things like this I could really use. So I'm really happy about the tomato sauce and the diced tomatoes. And I have some strawberry preserve. I'm going to put all this stuff away. And once again, I'm just a regular person here. And when my pantry's running low on canned goods, I go to the food pantry. I have a regular job and every little bit helps. And yeah, so don't be embarrassed. Don't be shy. You don't have to have a completely empty refrigerator and empty pantry to go to a food bank. If you're running low and you could use a little bit of extra help on certain items, go check it out. They're always nice. You could find one in your local area. You know, every place has one. And yeah, so never be embarrassed or too shy to go to a food pantry or food bank, because I make cooking videos and I have a job. I work a regular job and I'm just a regular person here. And when my pantry's running low and I could use a little extra help, I go to a food bank or food pantry. And all my videos, I actually purchase all the food myself for my videos. But in times of need, as far as canned goods and stuff like that, when I'm running low, they're there to help people. When you're running low on things and could use extra help. And yeah, so I'm just a regular person here. I do cooking videos. And yes, once in a great while, I will go to a food bank or food pantry. And I will try to restock my pantry in time of need. And everything that I cook on my videos, I eat. And I really enjoy doing it. I'm going to continue to do it. It's my hobby. I love to make videos and I love to edit. And everything that I make on my videos, I buy all my groceries and I will use these tomatoes maybe in one of them, but I don't go to the food pantry all the time. It's just once in a while when I'm running extra low on certain things and, do what you got to do to make ends meet and, just do your thing and whatever it takes, go for it. I just want to say thank you for whoever's watching. I'm going to put this stuff away and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll be uploading on probably Friday or Saturday and I'll see you then.